Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the amazing benefits of drinking ginger tea every night. That's right, this spicy little root, a staple in kitchens around the world, packs a powerful punch when it comes to your health. We're not just talking about a soothing cup before bed, although that's definitely a plus. We're talking about making ginger tea a regular part of your routine and reaping the incredible rewards it offers. You won't believe how this simple habit can transform your health. So, grab your favorite mug, get comfy, and let's explore the 10 surprising benefits of making ginger tea your new nighttime ritual. We all know that feeling of a heavy, bloated stomach after a big meal. Ginger steps in as a natural digestive aid, helping your body break down food more efficiently and ease those uncomfortable, too full sensations. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols, which work their magic by stimulating digestive enzymes and increasing movement in your gut. This means less bloating, less gas, and a happier digestive system overall. In a world of constantly evolving germs, a strong immune system is your best defense. Ginger has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to those powerful gingerols we talked about. These compounds help fight off harmful free radicals in your body, those nasty little molecules that can damage cells and weaken your immune system. By neutralizing free radicals, ginger helps keep your defenses strong and ready to fight off any bugs coming your way. Inflammation is a natural part of your body's healing process, but chronic, low-grade inflammation can be detrimental to your health. Ginger acts like a natural fire extinguisher, calming down those inflammatory fires within your body. This is particularly helpful for conditions like arthritis, where inflammation in the joints causes pain and stiffness. Regular ginger consumption can help reduce that inflammation, providing relief and improving mobility. Whether it's motion sickness, morning sickness, or just a general case of the queasies, ginger has been a trusted remedy for centuries. It works by calming the stomach and reducing nausea signals sent to the brain. Sipping on ginger tea before a trip or during pregnancy can work wonders in preventing those dreaded feelings of nausea. Keep a cup handy and you'll be ready to tackle any queasy situation with ease. A healthy brain is a happy brain, and ginger can give yours a boost. Studies suggest that ginger may improve cognitive function, including memory and reaction time. Those amazing gingerols strike again, this time protecting your brain cells from damage and improving communication between neurons. So, if you're looking for a natural way to sharpen your mind, a daily dose of ginger tea might be just what the doctor ordered. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, and ginger can lend a helping hand. Research indicates that ginger may improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar. This is particularly beneficial for individuals at risk of type 2 diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels naturally. Your heart works hard for you, so it deserves all the love and support you can give it. Ginger has been shown to have cardioprotective effects, meaning it can help keep your ticker in tip-top shape. It may lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clots, all of which contribute to a healthy cardiovascular system. For those on a weight loss journey, ginger can be a valuable ally. It may aid in weight management by boosting metabolism, reducing appetite, and promoting feelings of fullness. Adding ginger tea to your daily routine can complement your healthy diet and exercise plan, giving you an extra edge in achieving your weight loss goals. Beautiful, radiant skin starts from within, and ginger can help you achieve that healthy glow. Its potent antioxidant properties fight off free radical damage, protecting your skin from premature aging and promoting a youthful appearance. Ginger's anti-inflammatory effects can also help soothe skin irritations and reduce redness. Ladies, if you dread that time of the month, ginger tea might become your new best friend. Ginger has been used for centuries to alleviate menstrual cramps and discomfort. Its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties help relax the uterine muscles, reducing cramps and easing pain. Sipping on warm ginger tea during your period can provide natural relief and make those few days of the month a little more bearable. So there you have it. 10 surprising benefits of drinking ginger tea every night. From boosting your immunity to improving your digestion, ginger is a powerhouse of health benefits. Incorporating this simple habit into your daily routine can lead to a healthier, happier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. See you next time.